Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix EA Sports FC25 DirectX Function Error that's showing GetDeviceRemovedReason. So just like this, if you find this type of error on your screen, so the DirectX Function Error, this error in EA Sports FC25 or other EA games like FIFA typically means there's a problem between your graphics card and DirectX. This usually involves a GPU crash, driver issue, or unsupported graphics settings. So here is the fixes. So first, update your GPU drivers. So if you are using any NVIDIA graphics driver, then you can go to the GeForce drivers. So you can go to the NVIDIA web page and you can update the NVIDIA GPU driver on your device. Or if you are using any AMD processor with the Radeon graphics unit, then you can update the Radeon drivers. Now here is important note for you: even if they are up to date, do a clean install. Use display driver uninstaller in safe mode to fully remove the current driver, then install the latest one. 2. Lower in-game graphics settings. Launch FC25 and go to settings, then go to display configurations. So it may cause for your low configurations, and for that you have to make it lower in-game graphics settings. So you have to adjust according to your current components on your PC. So lower this, like rendering quality, you can lower it to medium or low. Anti-aliasing off or FXAA. Frame rate cap set to 60 or your monitor's refresh rate. You can go with your monitor refresh rate. If your monitor refresh is 120 Hz, then you can set it to 120 Hz. So vertical scenes on, then DirectX, if possible, switch between DX11 or DX12. If the game crashes before you can open it, delete or rename the settings folder here, just like this: document/EA Sports FC25/. Disable overclocking. If you have overclocked your GPU or CPU, revert to stock settings in BIOS or your GPU software like MSI Afterburn. Even small overclocks can cause instant instability. Now here's the fourth fix for you. Force the game to use DirectX 11. If DX12 is causing issues, go to the game's install folder or use Steam or EA Launcher launch option. Add this launch argument -DX11. Now here is the fifth fix for you: power settings and GPU timeout fix. Go to control panel, then go to power option, then set to high performance. Optionally increase the TDR, timeout detection and recovery delay in Windows, then open registry editor. You can click on Windows+R, then click on regedit, then navigate to HKey local machine/system. You have to go to system, then go to current controller control set, and then go to control, then go to graphics drivers. Then right click on it and click on new, then dword 32-bit and name it to TDR delay. Set it values to 10. Reset your PC. Now sixth fix is reinstall or repair the game. Corrupt game files can also trigger this. In Steam or EA app, right click the game, verify integrity or repair, then reinstall if needed. Try windowed or borderless mode. Sometimes full screen crashes. Use launch options or config files. Go to document/EA Sports FC25/, then edit settings.ini and set full screen to 0 and borderless to 1. Still not working? Then let me know your GPU model, Windows version, if it's happened on startup or during machines, so I will try to give you tailored tips. So that's all for today. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Till next time.